Hey, this is Sam and Ashley. We're gonna burp really loud.
Did you want your hair back?
Oh. I'm gonna come right there so you can see the reaction. Get right there so you can see it. Do it.
Do this.
Okay, we got. Hey, right now, there's a lady right there. Go.
No, I can't.
Do it. My stomach. Damn it, there's no one around. Just do it really loud. Hopefully there's someone down here. Now, Sam, hurry. Go further. Go right there. Do it now. Wait, we gotta find someone. It's just there. Right there. No, just kidding. There's a guy down there. Come on, wait, we gotta. Right there. Move. Just do it.
No, she's looking at me.
Okay, find somebody else. Is there somebody in here? That's a lot of cute stuff. They've got a saucer chair. Okay, just do it now randomly. No one's around.
I want one of these.
Look at yourself when you burp. Just burp. Just look at yourself when you do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. You owe me. Do it. Loud.
Come on.
Sam, this video is gonna be uber long if you don't just do it.
I'm going.
Dude, there's someone right there. Just do it. Here, they're looking. Shit, dude, he looked at me like I'm crazy. He's How about you?
Dude, I want one of these rugs.
Sam, there's a dude right there with the phone. Right there. Alright, do it right there. Come over here and I'll... Come over here. Do it now. I'll look at you. Hurry, do it now. Now. You're disgusting. You heard because you look straight at me. Wait, there's a room full. No. Okay, say goodbye to the camera.